Hey Junk Monkey friends, it's Sonia Miller with Junk Monkey Paint Company, and today we are going to go exploring.
Try not to wreck.
We are backing out of the driveway right now.
We
were at the park earlier, went for ice cream. Uncle Matt is a fun uncle. Yes. What he doesn't know is I got pictures of him coming down the slide today. Wasn't that fun?
I'm a funkle.
Is that a word?
Yes.
Did
Fun
you just
uncle.
invent it? That's it. I like it. Okay.
No, I actually saw it on my buddy Kyle's shirt the other day.
Oh, okay, cool. That's a good t-shirt.
Yeah, funkle.
So we are heading up here. We are gonna go hit a place in town. I'm hoping they are open. I've heard from other people who just kind of like know what I do as I moved into the new town here. I should go check this place out because I probably like it. From my understanding, it's like they find good junk and then they sell it there. So we're gonna go check it out. Maybe we'll find a few pieces for the house. Don't know, haven't been here before. But you guys ready? You guys ready? Aren't those big old homes absolutely beautiful? It never gets old. Like, I can truly make a sport out of driving through beautiful residential areas and especially admiring the old historic homes. Love it. Well, that was an awesome visit. Oh my goodness, they got some really good stuff in there. Whoever puts this store together, I'm guessing the owner, just has great taste. Oh my gosh, we could be friends. Love the stuff that I found in there. Both me and Matt found a piece each that I'll share with you in just a second. And we got to meet Kate inside, who manages the shop. She was awesome. So the piece I got was just a little tiny piece of decoration for my new house with the colors of the blue and the green. And guys, I scored this for all of $6. Can't wait. I have a nice little place already in mind for this. And then Matt, tell them, Matt, what you got.
I got an old advertisement, local advertisement.
An old advertisement, and it's local to Titusville, right?
Right.
Which is kind of cool. But what's not cool is the subject matter. Well, not that it's not cool. Probably would not be cool to have this issue, but tell them all about your worm powder, Matt.
Sweet worm powder. Guaranteed to get rid of worms in children and adults.
Oh my gosh. And this is an actual...
safe, and certain cure.
That is just odd. Interesting for sure. Where are you going to put this to?
Probably in my library.
In your library with your collection? This is so awesome. Who else out there loves old advertisements and throwbacks to that vintage retro
Who doesn't
feel?
love worm cream?
And who doesn't love worm cream?
I'm sorry, worm powder.
Worm powder.
Sweet worm powder.
Sweet. It just even keeps getting better.
Yes.
All right, we are gonna head on home. This stop just made my Sunday. It was so fun to get out and just see what's in your neighborhood, and I'm just loving life right now and where we're living. It's fun getting out to explore.
Now,
so thank you guys for being along on this vlog with us.
Now back to your Aunt Sonia duties.
Yes, we're gonna go back and we're gonna paint with the kitties now, okay? That's what we're gonna do, and I'm excited.
You're going to paint with the kitties.
I'm gonna paint with the kitties. It's gonna be so fun!
Funko Matt is gonna have.
Funko Matt. He's so fun and cool. He's Funko Matt.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna head on home. I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for subscribing, liking, and giving me a thumbs up. I love you forever. See you back here tomorrow. Bye.